Passage 2. Read the following passage and answer the questions from question number 1 to 4. Put a tick mark in the appropriate box for the correct answer. Passage को भल भाबे पढ़िबा बुझिबा ओ प्रश्न नंबर 1 रु 4 जाए चारोटी ऑप्शन अछि ता मध्यरु गोटे सठिक ऑप्शन रे टिक मार्क दबा. An ideal citizen is he who understands well both his rights and his duties. An ideal citizen is always loyal to the country. At the time of a national crisis or danger, he is prepared to sacrifice everything for his country. He does his duty without any selfish motive. He is prepared to shed his blood for her sake. A good citizen has great respect for the law of the society. जड़े नागरिक जी निज अधिकार और कर्तव्य को भल भावे बुझी पारे सी ही हेउछि जड़े आदर्श नागरिक. जड़े आदर्श नागरिक सबु बेले निज देश प्रति विश्वस्त होई रही थाए. जेबे देश उपरे कौनसी संकट बा विपद माड़ी आसे जड़े आदर्श नागरिक निजर सबुकिछि बलिदान करने को प्रस्तुत थाए. से निस्वार्थ पर भावे देश प्रति निज कर्म करि चले. एपरिकी से निज देश पाई रक्त बुहाइबा को मध्य पछाए नहीं. जड़े भल नागरिक निज मनरे देशर आईन कानून प्रति उच्च सम्मान रखि थाए. तो पिला माने आमे पैसेज टी को इंग्लिश ओडिया बोथ पढ़ीदेले बुझीदेले. तो तमे माने जड़े भल नागरिक हेई आम देशर ना उच्च करिबो. तो चलो एबे क्वेश्चन आंसर करि दबा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What does an ideal citizen understand? A. His sacrifice. B. His selfish motive. C. His respect for the law. D. His rights and duties. Yes, you are correct. The answer is his rights and duties. An ideal citizen understands his rights and duties. Question number 2. What is an ideal citizen always loyal to? A. His blood. B. National crisis. C. The country. D. Selfish motive. Yes, the answer is the country. An ideal citizen should always be loyal to his or her own country. Question number 3. When is an ideal citizen prepared to sacrifice everything? A. At the time of reading. B. At the time of fighting. C. At the time of national crisis or danger. D. At the time of games and sports. Yes, your answer is correct. An ideal citizen is prepared to sacrifice everything at the time of national crisis or danger. Students, put a tick mark on option number C. Question number 4. Who has great respect for the law of society? A. A good player. B. A good citizen. C. A selfish person. D. A poor person. Yes, you are correct. It's B. A good citizen. A good citizen has great respect for the law of society. Thank you, students. I hope you all enjoyed the class.